Today's video is to show you step by step how creators are getting their stats to look like this by posting quotes on Facebook. Now, there are two specific ways that I like to monetize Facebook theme pages, and we're going to cover both today step by step. And the first one is the Facebook content monetization program, where Facebook literally pays you just to post, and those can be as simple as quotes. Facebook isn't just a place to waste time and scroll. It can literally be a gold mine if you know how to use it in the right way. I'm saying this as someone who has been making a full-time income with Facebook as one of my #1 income streams since 2010. So if you're a beginner, you're going to want to watch this video all the way to the end so you can understand the exact steps to take in order to start making money on Facebook. And this is about creating time and financial freedom on your own terms. We're creating our own economies out here, and you can absolutely do this too. So if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and take a minute to do that so you're plugged in with all the information that you need in order to level up. So without further delay, let's get into the tutorial.
We are now over on Facebook, and first things first, I'm going to search for some inspiration pages. Now, when it comes to quotes, motivation is a great category for quotes. So I just typed that keyword into the search bar on Facebook, and I selected pages over here on the left hand side. Now we can scroll through and look for some of the biggest pages in this category and make sure they are active with over 10 plus posts in the last few weeks. And let's see, we can see this one with 4.4 million followers and over 10 posts in the last 2 weeks. So we can click on that page, and then we can scroll through and see if they have a lot of engagement on their posts in order to model their content. And yes, they absolutely do. They have huge engagement. So at this point, I would go forth and collect 10 pages like this and load them up into my Post Planner Research app. So I have loaded it up here. We can search by their best posts in the last year, in the last 30 days, in the last week, or the past 24 hours. We can sort by likes, shares, whatever you would like to sort by. I normally do it by likes. So we can see in the last year, their most engaged post has 165,000 likes, 61,000 shares, and 2,000 comments. That is incredible. So this is a proven to go viral post that we can actually model. So now that we have some inspiration for what kind of content is going to work, let's go ahead and set up a page. So on the dashboard of your profile, all the way at the bottom left, you can see pages. You can select that and then click create a page. So now we're going to go ahead and name the page, and I like to get a keyword in there because Facebook is a search engine, and so when people type in things like motivation, then your page is likely to come up. So I just did motivation mindset for the page name category, motivational speaker, and in the bio, the best page for motivational quotes, and then click create page right there. So I skipped all of the next steps just to get straight to the page build here. So what we need to do is add a cover photo and a profile photo, or for this kind of page, we can just do a logo. And for that, I would just go into Canva, search through their templates for Facebook cover photos, see if they have any simple ones that you like and that you can alter very easily. So I just quickly edited this template to give it some very simple branding, and then I'm going to go ahead and download that in the top right hand corner and add it to our page. And then we'll go back and do the same thing with a logo template. All right, so our page is all set up here, and now we can start posting content. So we're going to look at this top one here, and we're going to rewrite it, right? It's going to have the same message, but not the same words. So we can create unique content for our page. So we can ask ChatGPT to help us with this, to rewrite it for us, or we can just do it off the top of our head. So instead of saying, what a privilege it is to be able to walk, we could say something like, being able to walk is such a privilege. Being able to work out is a privilege. Being able to eat is a privilege. Being able to grow is a privilege. So much gratitude. So it says the same message still, keeps the same vibe, but we make it our own. So over in Canva, we're going to go ahead and create that quote image. All right, so now that we have that all typed up, that's our very first post, we can go ahead and download that and load that into our Post Planner scheduler. And then we can go back looking at 10 other pages, seeing their top posts and reworking them to be unique to us. So that is how you research, create, and schedule content. And when you go to post directly on your page, you can also schedule posts right here directly on Facebook. However, I find it very convenient just to use Post Planner and everything in one place. If you need a full tutorial on Post Planner, I'm going to link that down below in the description. All right, so the page is all set up. We have our first post going here. Now we also need to go to the professional dashboard and opt in and express interest in the monetization program. So this is a brand new page, so we're going to click right here on monetization, and we'll see all of the options right here for monetizing the page, and we need to express our interest to be invited to these programs. So let's go ahead and click on content monetization. We're just going to click notify me when I'm eligible, and you can do the same for stars and subscriptions. And then from there, you just keep posting consistently. I would start out with 6 or more posts per day and work your way up to the amount that you feel comfortable that you can maintain on a daily basis. I would also recommend going up here into the search bar and finding relevant groups that you can share your posts into so that you can start getting an audience that way. And you can also advertise your page for as little as $2 per day to start getting targeted followers. And in the meantime, while you're waiting to get invited to the Facebook monetization program, I highly recommend having something to offer your audience. As your page is growing and people are engaging with you, for a quotes page like this, you could do simple things like mugs with your best engaged quotes, t-shirts with your best engaged quotes. And so let's say as your page is going and you're getting lots of engagement and you have a quote like this with 19,000 likes on your page. It says, "You said you'd go harder this year, keep your word." You could put that on a t-shirt, you could put that on a mug. So let's pop over to Printify, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So I'm going to link this for you down below so you can get started 100% free creating and selling custom products that are branded to your page and your page brand with no money to get started. So what we can do is go to the catalog. You can check out all of the thousands of products that they have available. Let's just start with t-shirts. And so they have right here their top 3 best-selling t-shirts. I personally would go with Comfort Colors 1717. And what you would do here is simply start uploading your design that you make inside of Canva, just like you did with the quotes that you posted on your page. And so then how this is going to work, you're going to have a supplier such as Swift POD, and whenever someone purchases a t-shirt from you, you're going to pay the wholesale price of about $15, and you can charge $30 or more and then keep the profits. And you never even pay for a shirt until it's already sold and it's being shipped to the customer. So let's say this became a best quote, the one that we just put on the page. You can simply upload your design right here, and then you can preview what it would actually look like on a mock-up. And there you go. That is exactly how simple it is to have a targeted audience on Facebook. They're telling you what they already like, and then you can put it on merch items. So then we save the product. And the really cool thing about Printify is that you can publish it to a Printify pop-up shop 100% free. There is literally no cost in setting up this store. And this is one that I set up here, and Printify will pay you out your earnings once per month. So this is a completely risk-free way to set up your own branded store, and then you can simply share these products on your brand new quote page in a lifestyle way, right? You don't need to be salesy with this. So you could say something as simple as, "You guys loved this quote, so I had to put it on a tee. Do you like it?" And then a lifestyle image of the t-shirt with the quote on it. Let people start engaging, and in the comments, drop a link to your store listing. It is literally that simple. So this was start to finish, how to create a quote page, where to find viral content, how to opt into monetization, and also how to sell print on demand products. You guys, this is as simple as it gets. This is a proven business model, and those who stick with it can absolutely crush it.
The only thing you really need to make this work is consistency, a good work ethic, and strategy. The number one mistake that people often make at the very beginning of their journey is just being out here trying to piece everything together themselves, trying to reverse engineer whatever they see on the surface that people are posting without understanding the structure and processes behind them. So if you want to speed up your success, the best and fastest fastest way to do that is by surrounding yourself with others who are already doing that successfully. So I'd love to invite you into my full step-by-step course and live coaching community if you're ready to take this to the next level. My students in there are taking massive action every single day. They are winning and the energy is contagious. And the course takes you all the way from complete beginner all the way to advanced. I have students that have started with 0 followers and 0 experience. And I also have students that have already done 8 figures on the internet, who are very skilled at marketing, who are still learning and excelling with the course. It is a complete one-stop for Facebook growth, monetization, and print on demand. So I'm going to leave more details about that linked down below in the description. So let's get you monetized, and I look forward to your success. I'll see you in the next video.